Welcome to the VoxSMS Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. This video is part 6 in a series of videos on VoxSMS. In this video, we'll be presenting the Blasts feature in the VoxSMS web application. From the dashboard, click on the Blasts tab. A blast message can be sent out to multiple phone numbers at once. To create a blast message, click on Send New Blast. Fill out the following required fields: blast name, blast status, message, and select contacts. The current footer field is optional. The blast name should be something easily identifiable, just in case you need to view it in the future. Fill out the message you want to send. The current footer option appends a message to the end of your blast, which indicates how your recipient can opt out. Select a contact list you want the message sent out to. This can be either from a list that you previously created, or you can create a custom list from your contacts. The options for the blast status include draft, send now, and schedule. If you select draft, the blast can then be saved for a later date by selecting Save Blast. In order to send a draft, you must change its status. Under the Drafts tab, you can click on the blast you just created, then simply change the blast status to either Send Now or Schedule. To immediately send a blast, select Send Now as the blast status when creating or editing your blast. To schedule a blast for a given date, select Schedule and fill out the date and time fields. We can click on Edit Blast to save changes to our draft, as well as configure it to send the text messages if the status is changed to Send Now or Schedule. You can also delete a blast from here as well. Congratulations! You've now completed the Blasts portion of VoxSMS. Our next video will demonstrate the Reminders feature. Make sure you subscribe for more guides with Voxtelesys as we're continually adding new content.